This video outlines how Hilti can help you with engineered applications in large commercial buildings, including our extensive portfolio of installation and FIRESTOP solutions. Besides traditional MEP applications such as trapezes, headrails, and single fastening points, some applications need to be engineered. Starting with underground collectors that connect commercial buildings with centralized services. Here, pipes sit on heavy racks and need thermal expansion solutions, such as fixed points and other elements. In plant rooms, the boiler, switch boxes, splitters, and pipes all need heavy frame supports. Typically, in backbone pipeline corridors, pipes, air ducts, and cable trays either have their own supports or rest on multi-trade supports with multiple layers of engineering. Pipes ascend in rising pipe shafts with fixed points that transfer loads into the superstructure. Standoff pipe supports keep the pipes in position or allow for axial expansion. Rising pipe shafts often need a high level of engineering, especially in the case of multi-sectional riser systems. Typically, pipes enter the floor distribution with non-engineered configurations. External or rooftop applications may require engineered solutions for weather or corrosion resistance and climatic loads. Examples include pipes on freestanding goalposts, small air conditioning units on frames, large ventilation and air conditioning units on heavy frames, along with in and outlets. Hilti also has a comprehensive range of seismically resistant supports, including seismically braced single fastening points and various configurations of seismically braced trapezes in either longitudinal, transversal, or four-way bracing. Hilti also has anchors approved for seismic conditions. Fire-resistant supports for pipe, ventilation, and cable trays are engineered MEP applications for public buildings such as hospitals. In case of fire, the supports help to ensure that escape routes remain clear until all people have been safely evacuated. To help prevent fire and smoke from spreading through buildings within minutes, all penetrations through walls and floors must be fire-stopped. This design principle is called compartmentation, aiming to prevent fire spreading beyond where it started. All FIRESTOP products used should be tested and approved. Hilti has a range of intumescent FIRESTOP solutions for combustible plastic pipes, such as FIRESTOP collars and wraps, which expand in fire and close the opening. Metal pipes often come with mineral wool or other burnable insulations. FIRESTOP bandage or acrylic sealant close the gap between the pipe and the wall. Cables can be sealed using intumescent FIRESTOP solutions such as flexible foam, cable discs, cable collars for renovation work, FIRESTOP blocks for larger openings, or the innovative FIRESTOP sleeve. They are easy to plan, specify, and install. These again are the 8 main engineered applications where Hilti can help. Plant room frame supports, heavy pipe racks in underground collectors and backbone corridors, multi-trade supports, thermal expansion solutions, rising pipe solutions, rooftop solutions exposed to climatic loads, seismically resistant supports, fire-resistant supports. By designing FIRESTOP solutions at the early planning phase, Hilti can help customers to be code compliant during installation, avoid expensive rework, document easily, and pass inspections quickly. Contact your local Hilti field engineer.